Hello everyone. My name is Bella, and today we are going to visit Switzerland together. In this video, you will hear easy English conversations about travel, food, trains, mountains, and daily life in Switzerland. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story with us. Before we begin, I have a small listening challenge for you. During this trip, I will buy a famous Swiss food. Please listen carefully and try to discover what it is. At the end, you can write your answer in the comments in English. Are you ready? Let's start our adventure in Switzerland. Wow, I am finally in Switzerland. I just arrived in Zurich this morning, and I already love this place. The streets look very clean, the weather feels cool, and the city looks calm and beautiful. I can see people walking slowly, drinking coffee, and enjoying the morning.
Welcome to Switzerland, Bella. My name is Daniel, and I will show you around today. Zurich is a very beautiful city, and many tourists love visiting this place because it is clean, peaceful, and organized. I think you are going to enjoy your trip a lot.
Thank you, Daniel. Everything feels very different here. The air feels fresh, and the city looks so quiet compared to many other big cities. I already want to take many photos because every street looks beautiful.
Yes, many visitors say the same thing. Switzerland is famous for its clean cities, beautiful nature, and amazing train rides. Later today, we can take a train and see the mountains and lakes around the country.
That sounds amazing. I watched many videos about Switzerland before my trip, and the mountains looked incredible. I really want to see the Alps with my own eyes and enjoy the beautiful views from the train window.
You will love it. Traveling by train in Switzerland is one of the best experiences here. The trains are comfortable, quiet, and very clean. During the ride, you can see small villages, green fields, and snowy mountains.
Honestly, this already feels like a dream trip for me. I love peaceful places, and Switzerland feels very relaxing. Even walking around the city makes me feel calm and happy.
I understand exactly what you mean. Many people come here because they want a quiet and relaxing vacation. Switzerland is perfect for slow travel, long walks, and beautiful scenery.
By the way, I am starting to feel hungry now. I did not eat much during the flight, so I would love to try some Swiss food today. Maybe something warm because the weather is cold.
Perfect timing. There is a cozy cafe near the station, and they have delicious bread, cheese, coffee, and hot chocolate. Many local people go there every morning before work.
That sounds wonderful. I really want to try real Swiss hot chocolate because I heard it tastes amazing. I also want to buy some Swiss chocolate during this trip for my family and friends.
Then Switzerland is the perfect place for you. Chocolate shops are everywhere here, and tourists love visiting them. Later, I can show you one of the most famous chocolate stores in the city.
I am already excited for that. I think food is one of the best parts of traveling because you can learn a lot about a country through its meals and traditions.
That is very true, Bella. Switzerland is famous for cheese and chocolate, and later maybe you can also try Swiss fondue. It is a traditional meal with melted cheese, and many visitors love it.
That sounds delicious. I always wanted to try fondue because it looks warm and comforting. I think this trip is going to be very special for me.
I think so too. Now let's go to the cafe, drink something warm, and continue exploring Switzerland together.
This cafe looks so beautiful and comfortable. I really like the warm lights, the wooden tables, and the smell of fresh bread and coffee inside. Outside the weather is cold, but in here everything feels cozy and relaxing. I can already understand why people enjoy spending time in cafés in Switzerland.
Yes, cafes are very popular here, especially during cold mornings like this one. Many people stop for coffee before work, and others come here to relax, read, or meet friends. Swiss people usually enjoy calm places where they can sit quietly and take their time.
I noticed that people here do not seem to rush very much. Everyone looks calm and relaxed. In some cities, cafes are loud and crowded, but this place feels peaceful. Even the music is soft and quiet, and I really like that atmosphere.
Switzerland is known for being organized and peaceful, and many visitors notice that very quickly. People here usually respect quiet places and personal space. That is one reason why many tourists say they feel relaxed during their trip here.
I think this kind of atmosphere is perfect for learning English too, because everything feels calm. I can focus on the conversation, look around slowly, and enjoy every small moment during the trip. Traveling and learning languages together feels very interesting to me.
That makes sense because learning English through simple conversations and daily situations can feel much more natural. Today you are hearing words about travel, food, weather, cafes, and transportation, and these are very useful topics for beginners.
Oh wow, the menu looks amazing. I can see hot chocolate, fresh croissants, cheese sandwiches, and many different desserts. Everything looks delicious, and honestly, I want to try almost everything on the menu right now.
The bakery products here are usually very fresh because many cafes prepare bread and pastries early in the morning. Swiss chocolate desserts are also very popular, especially with tourists. I think you should definitely try the hot chocolate because it is one of the most famous drinks here.
Yes, I will order the hot chocolate for sure. I also want a croissant and maybe a cheese sandwich, because I am very hungry now after the long flight. Traveling is exciting, but airports and airplanes can also make people feel tired and hungry very quickly.
I completely agree. After a long trip, a warm drink and good food can make people feel much better. That is why many travelers love finding small cafes like this after arriving in a new country. It is a good way to relax and start the trip slowly.
I also love hearing different languages around me. While we are sitting here, I can hear people speaking French, German, English, and other languages too. It makes this place feel very international and interesting.
Switzerland actually has more than one official language, so hearing different languages is very normal here. Depending on the region, people may speak German, French, Italian, or Romansh. In Zurich, most people speak German, but many people also understand English very well.
That is so interesting. I think it must be amazing to grow up hearing different languages around you all the time. It probably helps people communicate with tourists more easily too, especially in big cities like Zurich.
Yes, tourism is very important in Switzerland. So many workers in hotels, cafes, restaurants, and train stations speak English with visitors every day. That makes traveling easier for tourists who do not speak the local languages.
Honestly, I already feel very comfortable here. Sometimes when people travel to a new country for the first time, they feel nervous or lost. But today everything feels smooth and relaxing, and I think that makes the experience even more special.
I am happy to hear that because Switzerland is usually a very easy country for tourists to visit. Public transportation works well, the streets are clean, and most places feel safe and organized. Many people come here for the first time and later decide to visit again.
I can already understand why people return here. Even though I only arrived this morning, I already feel connected to this place. The calm atmosphere, beautiful streets, and friendly people make Switzerland feel very welcoming.
And this is only the beginning of your trip. Later today, we can walk near the lake, explore the old town, and maybe take a short train ride outside the city. The views become even more beautiful once you leave the center and see the mountains and nature around Switzerland.
That sounds wonderful, Daniel. I am very happy to be in Switzerland today. Everything feels calm, beautiful, and relaxing.
I am glad you enjoyed your first day here, Bella. Switzerland is a very special place for many visitors.
I loved the cafe, the streets, and our conversation together. It was a great experience for me.
And you practiced a lot of useful English today through simple conversations and daily situations.
Thank you for joining us today, everyone. I hope this video helped you improve your English little by little. And do not forget the listening challenge. What famous Swiss food did I want to buy during the trip? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next adventure.